Hi, it's Fias Taro. Hello, all signs. So, yeah, titingnan natin, okay, yung person mo, kung ano ba yung heart's hidden secrets nila, no? Oo, yung mga talagang nakatago, deep, 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 deep down. O, di ba? Yeah. Heart's hidden secrets ng person na iniisip mo. Okay? So, syempre, yeah. Before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe. And yeah, hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay? And syempre, kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin po pagdating kay Perception of Light. Okay? So, yeah, don't forget to follow rin si Perception. Okay? And syempre, si Kuya Dingsi. So, sa mga naghahanap ng healer, yan, si Kuya Dingsi yung aming may i-refer. Oo. Okay? And yeah, don't forget rin na i-follow si Kuya Dingsi. Okay. So, oo. Yung isa lang na hindi daw niya ginagawa is yung pagpapabalik ng inyong mga jowa or asawa. Hindi ko lang alam ngayon. Okay po. Tanong nyo na lang din. O, di ba? Pero alam ko talaga hindi. Ayaw niya yan. Opo, ayaw niya yan. Okay? So, yung mga ritual-ritual, ayaw niya yan. Ay! Okay? So, yeah. Pagdating naman sa ating mga evil eye items, excuse me. So, all-in-one evil eye bracelet, available in red and black string. So, this is adjustable. Okay, and yeah, ito po yung merong initial ng pangalan ng magmamay-ari. So, kung ibibigay ninyo, dapat po ibibigay nyo yung pangalan ng pagbibigyan nyo. Okay? So, ganun po ha, sa lahat po ng items, kung inyong ibibigay, iririgalo, sasabihin nyo po yung pangalan ha, ng pagbibigyan. Kailangan po. Okay? And yeah, ito naman ang ating evil eye ring. So, adjustable, non-tarnish and hypoallergenic. And ito naman yung isa nating evil eye bracelet. This is, ang tawag dyan, unisex. Tulad po nitong ating all-in-one evil eye bracelet na ito. Ha? So, pareho po ng ating bracelet is unisex. Okay? And yeah, this is garterize. Okay? So, ito naman yung ating evil eye necklace. Yes, kailangan natin itong isa-isahin dahil hindi lang naman tayo ang palaging nandito lamang. No? Meron tayong mga bago palaging napasok dyan. Kaya, yes. Okay? So, yeah. Evil eye necklace. So, non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, and meron siyang extender. Okay? So, yan siya. Okay. So, pare-pareho po ha, kung inyong ibibigay, ipangre-regalo, sabihin ang pangalan ng pagbibigyan. Okay? Pero kung inyo naman, wala naman na. Okay? So, sasabihin nyo lang yung full name nyo. Kukunin naman yun ni admin, ha? And yes, pagdating sa granter necklace, made to order si granter. Okay? So, kada week, kung sino lang yung nagpagawa, yun lang ang aking maipoprovide. Okay, so habol-habol kasi by Saturday, again, by Saturday ang ating shipment. Okay? So, yeah. Yun lamang. And, yeah, yun lang. Message lang kayo sa amin pong mga FB page, no? And, yeah, again, don't forget to follow. Okay, so let's start. Okay, your person, heart's hidden secrets deep, deep down. Okay, so let's start with Aries. Ano bang katago-tago? Oo, ng person mo. Okay, tingnan natin. Anong katago-tago niya? Yung hindi mo inaasahan or hindi mo aakalaing ganun. Okay? Aries. So, think of your person. So, ano bang meron? Hopeless. Sinking, despair, falling apart. Okay, so yan siya. May ganyan. Pwedeng hindi niya ipinapakita yan, pero may ganyan pagdating sa kanya. Bakit? Tingnan natin sa tarot. Okay, let's see anong meron. Pasensya na po ha sa aking kabusesan dahil yes, ako ay may sipon. At parang ako'y uubuhin na. So, yun na naman tayo. Okay. So, bakit daw hopeless? Excuse me. Bakit? The sun. Itong taong to talaga. Hindi ito pinapakita to. Ang ipinapakita nito, ego, pride. Okay? Ayaw nito magmumukhang kawawa. Sa totoo lang. Yes. Ayaw niyan. Yeah, see? The star in reverse. Oh my God. Pareho to. Hopeless. 'Di ba? Star in reverse. That's hopeless. Being hopeless. Okay? Tinatago lang nila. Hindi ko alam. Some of them, yun nga may ego and ma-pride. And ayaw nilang makikitaan sila ng pagkakawawa. Okay? There's a lot of drama pagdating sa kanila. I don't know kung ano bang sitwasyon nyo, pero ganyan. Hindi nyo inaasahan. Okay? So, there. Next. Taurus. Okay. Your person's heart's hidden secret. Let's see. Taurus. You can check your other placements po, ha? Your Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kung alam niyo yung inyo. Okay. So, Taurus. Ano ba? Ang kanyang hidden secrets. Oh, heart's hidden secrets. Okay. Fantasy. Daydreaming, imagining, fantasize. Okay. So, let's see. Gamit tayo ng tarot. Some of you, this is your past person. Okay? So, what's with this fantasy? For Taurus. Iniisip ka niya. Okay, yun nga. Iba, nagpapantasya. Okay. Meron pa rin something. Maybe, emotion, attachment, like that. So, let's see. Page of Wands in reverse. Some of you, hindi mo na ito pinagpapapansin ngayon. Or, hindi na ganun na nagbibigay ng pansin pagdating sa kanya. Some of you, ito. Okay? Meron ditong energy na kunyari hindi kanya pinapansin. Excuse me. Pero nandun yung pagpapantasya sa'yo. Yes. Yeah, the Two of Coins. Kunyari hindi. It's like juggling. So, there's confusement. Like, na magbibigay sa'yo. Kasi parang hindi siya like attracted sa'yo maybe. Or parang wala siyang pakialam sa'yo. Pero, yeah. Paminsan-minsan. Iniisip ka nito. May something pa. Ha? Okay? Yeah. Nakukuha ko rito is like energy ng crush mo. Oh my God. Yeah. Sa totoo lang. Energy ng crush mo na parang hindi kanya pinapansin. Pero yes. May pagpapantasya dito. Hoy. Okay. So, yeah. Yun ang akin nakuha. Pagdating sa'yo, Taurus. Next, Gemini. Let's see. Your person, heart's hidden secrets. Excuse me. Okay, Gemini. Clinging. Holding on, obsessing, and spying. Okay. So, nandun pa rin. Something. Okay. So, let's see ano bang meron dito. Holding on, obsessing, and spying. Some of them, yun nga, nag-i-stalk sa'yo. Attachment. Sobrang pagkagusto. Yeah, the 7 of coins. Ito yung hindi mo inaasahan or sabihin natin hindi mo akalain. Okay? This person is invested pagdating sa'yo. Still, maybe, kung ito is a past person, they're still invested. Kahit hindi nyo maisip na ganon. Yeah. And still, naghihintay ito, yeah, holding on. Okay? Waiting. Ooh, some of them, they're like stressing out the situation. May pag-iisip, ang dami, yeah. You're living in their head rent-free. Yeah. Yan ang nakukuha ko pagdating sa kanila na pwedeng hindi mo naman inaakalang may ganon. And yeah, kinuha naman natin deep down, ano bang meron. Okay, so there. Next is Cancer. So ano bang meron? Your person's heart's hidden secrets. Anong meron? Oops. Deep down. Like yung mga hindi mo inaasahan. Or hindi mo inaakala. Clarity. Truth. Intentions. Honesty. Okay. So, let's see ano bang meron dyan. Some of them, they're looking for clarity. Maybe yung parang wala silang pinapakita na parang they're being needy. Maybe. Ayaw nila ipakita. No? Pero meron silang mga gustong malaman. Okay? What's with that clarity? Yeah. The Magician in reverse. This is manipulation. Like, parang wala silang itinatanong. Okay? Hindi mo aakalaing, ay, meron pala siyang gustong malaman. Okay? They're manipulating. They're maybe words. Okay? Pero through their action, maybe, makikita nyo, may pagkakaiba. Okay? Hindi nito ipapakita na humihingi sila ng clarity kung anong meron sa inyo. Okay? Pasensya na po ha sa mga naririnig nyo sa background. Okay? So, the Magician in reverse and the Three of Cups. Yeah, they want clarity. They want closure for some of you. Okay? So, maybe this is like something like reconciliation, maybe. Ano bang meron na sa atin, like that. Pero, someone is sabihin nating gusto lang makita mo siya na cool lang. Cool. Pero deep down, gusto lang malaman ano bang meron sa atin. Yeah. Okay, so there. Next. Sounds like playing along, like going with the flow. Mga ganyan. Okay, next is Leo. Leo. Anong meron? Tingnan natin. Your person's heart's hidden secrets. Okay, let's see for Leo. Okay. Again, fantasy. Daydreaming, imagining, fantasize. Okay. Kanina may nabunot ako. Hindi ko lang matandaan kung sino. Okay? So, pareho kayo. Okay, so yan. Pasensya na po ha sa mga ingay sa ating palipaligid. Okay, so what's with this fantasy? For you, Leo. Some of you, you're LDR. Yeah, that's channeled. Okay, LDR kayo. What's with that fantasy? The Queen of Swords. Okay. Some of you, pwedeng silent kayo. Okay? Or maybe someone is too detached. No, like silent, like cold. Okay? Pero, yeah. Nakakita ko dito ng parang, alam niyo yung di makabasag pinggan. Pero, oo, deep, deep down, nandoon yung tinatago, may tinatagong, tawag diyang kulo, o parang ganun. Okay? Pagdating sa person mo. Mhm. Okay, so some of them, pwedeng parang gusto nila na makita mo sila na they're like family-oriented, maybe, like that, like, maganda yung, ang tawag dyan, intention nila for you, like that, pero, there's fantasy, like, fantasizing, like, imagining, daydreaming, okay? So, let's see, ano ba tong Queen of Swords? Yeah, the moon, oh my golly. See the devil. Itong taong to, aakalain mo na napaka, like, sabihin nating may pagka, ang tawag dyan, seryoso, mga ganyan. Pero, di mo aakalain. Chumachararat to. Chumachararat siya. Okay? Yeah. Some of you, Leo. Okay? So, babaliin natin yung ganong energy. I'm seeing some of them, no? Na pwedeng iniisip ng taong ito na gusto kanyang makasama ng, sabihin natin, forever. Yeah. They're, sabihin nating, serious pagdating sa'yo. Pero hindi mo yun nakikita or hindi nila ipinapakita. Pero seryoso, yung tao. Yeah. Masyado lang silang talagang, sabihin natin hindi sila ganun ka-clingy. Hindi sila showy. Pero, yeah. Iba po iba po itong energy na nakuha ko ngayon. Okay, so parang may dalawang energy dito. Okay? They're dreaming like maging asawa ka. Ganyan. Mapababae, mapalalaki, ha? Okay, so there. Next. Virgo. So, Virgo. What's your person's heart's hidden secret? Let's see. Virgo, your person's heart's hidden secret for Virgo. Abandoned, left out, walked away, cold. Ooh. Why? So, nalungkot ako dito sa kanya. Feeling niya, deep, deep down, pwedeng hindi siya nagsasabi sa'yo ng ganito. Parang feeling niya, napapabayaan siya. Yes. Let's see. What's with this? Abandoned. Yeah, the Hierophant in reversed. Oh, no. Virgo. Okay. Itong taong to, okay, feeling niya is, parang wala kang pakialam. Pero hindi niya to sinasabi. Okay, hindi niya to sinasabi. Parang wala ka daw pakialam. Why? See, the Empress in reverse. Some of you, kasal pa kayo nito. Yeah, some of you. Yung iba sa inyo, magkasama pa. Okay? Magkasama pa. Pero, kung kayo is kunyari, okay na. Nandun pa rin yung sugat. Nandun pa rin. Like, nag-leave ng scar. May peklat. Okay? Sa kanilang mga puso. Oo, sinasabi. Okay? So, hindi nila yun malimutan. Parang may binigay na trauma. Hindi to sa lahat, Alam nyo to. Okay? Hindi to para sa lahat. Pero, kung nagkaroon man lang sabihin nating sobrang malalang nangyari or issue before, sabihin nating nagkaroon ng forgiveness, pero yes, hindi pa rin malimutan ng taong ito yung nangyari. Nandun pa rin. Nandun pa rin. Oh my golly. Yeah, may nagloko. Yes. So, hindi na niya maalis yun. Hindi na niya maalis. Feeling niya talaga parang nakawawa siya. Oh my God. Sana walang makaresonate ng ganito. Kawawa naman siya. Okay, so meron ditong Cancer and Taurus, Virgo, and ano pa ba to? Libra. Okay, for me. Yeah. So, pwedeng ikaw to, Virgo. Vice versa. Okay? So, there. Oh no, that's sad. Yeah. Okay, next. Libra. So, Libra. What's your person's heart's hidden secrets? Libra. Your person's heart's hidden secrets. Let's see. Clinging, holding on, obsessing, and spying. They still may be attached, attracted, or attracted pa rin. Excuse me. Okay, so let's see. Anong meron dito sa clinging? Holding on, obsessing, and spying for Libra. At the Hierophant in reverse, pwedeng Cancerian. I think Cancerian. Excuse me. Some of you, wala kayo nito. Wala kayong relasyon nito ngayon. Pero nandun yung hindi ka pa rin niya ma-let go. Hindi ka pa rin niya mabitawan. Like, kung may pag-uusap kayo ngayon, masaya siya doon. Basta hindi ka niya bitawan. Basta hindi mangyari yung sabihin nating magkaroon ng separation. Like, separation. Okay? Gusto nito kanya ka lang. Yeah. Some of them may pagkaseloso-selosa. Yes. Takot ito na mapunta ka sa iba. Yeah. Yeah, the King of Swords in reverse. May takot na mapunta ka sa iba. See? Some of them, they're being selfish sa ginagawa niya. Kung hindi ka niya mabigyan ngayon ng label, some of you, there's no label here. May takot siya eh. Kung kayo is sabihin nating mag-ex, tapos nandyan lang kayo. Walang label. Isa pa yun eh. Yung parang ayaw ka niya na mapupunta sa iba. Yeah. May takot siya na mapunta ka sa iba. So, nandun yung parang may pagka-selfish nga na intention. Okay? Hindi ko malaman kung takot lang ba siya or makasarili. Yeah. So, maybe because of this, obsessing, spying, holding on. So, some of them, hindi pa sila nakaka-move on from you if this is a past person. Hindi nila magagawang mag-move on kung ganun nga ang ginagawa. Okay? Yeah, the Ace of Swords in reverse. So, there's no clarity here. Okay? May takot. Unsure itong taong ito. Maybe sa ginawa niya. Some of you, this is separation, ha? Okay? Hindi sila sigurado sa nangyaring separation. So, that is why nandyan pa rin, still holding on. Okay? Still in contact. Parang ganyan. So, mahirap. Oo. Gusto ka lang talaga niya na parang makikita, makakausap. Yes. Kanya-kanya siguro na dahilan kung bakit. Okay? So, there. Okay. Next. Scorpio. So, Scorpio, what's your person's heart's hidden secrets? Let's see. Scorpio. For Scorpio, please. Their person's heart's hidden secret. Scorpio's person's heart hidden secret. Ecstasy. chasing thrills, excuse me, excitement, and good time. Okay. So, tingnan natin anong meron. So, nandyan yung paghabol. Nandyan pa rin yung parang gustong-gusto ka nito pa rin hanggang ngayon. Or, if this is new, gustong-gusto ka. Okay? You're like an ecstasy. Extano. O, diba? Okay. Tingnan natin. Ecstasy. For Scorpio. The 7 of Coins in reversed. What? Some of them, ang sinasabi rito, Scorpio, this is like, energy ng playtime. Yeah, a playtime. Parang ngayon lang sila nasisiyahan or, yeah, let's see. The 7 of Coins in reverse. The 2 of Swords in reverse. Yeah, the 6 of Swords. May paglayo eh. Yeah, see the Lovers in reverse. So it's like playtime. A playtime. Like, pwedeng makikita mo, no, na parang itong taong ito is nandyan palagi. Okay? So maybe, kung kailan ka lang niya kailangan, yeah, good time, excitement. Some of you, this is talking about sex. Okay? So, it's like every time available lang siya. Maybe. Okay? They're not invested. They're not. Some of you, pwedeng, I see this as a red flag. Pero ang makikita mo sa taong ito is green. Pwedeng aasa ka. Kasi nandito yung chasing thrills, excitement, good time, like, pinipili niya na mag-hang out with you every time na sabihin nating open siya, like that. Okay, pero yung totoo yung totoo is every time lang na parang wala silang choice kundi ikaw. Oh my God. Okay. Yeah, the Knight of Cups in reverse and the Magician in reverse. So it's like hindi totoo. Hindi totoo. Yeah. Gamitan. Ginagamit ka lang ng taong to. So, wag kang aasa. Papaasahin ka talaga ng magician na totoo. Parang kang batang nanonood sa magic. Like that. Na parang, ay wow, totoo yun. Ay wow, ang galing. Pero behind that, there's a lot of tricks going on. Okay. So, yeah. There. Next is Sagittarius. Pasensya na po ha sa ingay na inyong naririnig. Okay, Sag. What's your person's heart's hidden secrets? Okay. Let's see. Your person's heart's hidden secret. Spying. Okay, so social network information ways. So, spying. So, it's like stalking through online, maybe. Okay. So, some of them, they're creating boundaries pagdating sa'yo. Some of them, binlock ka. Block. Yan eh. Yan tayo eh. Ay, ma'am, paano po kami mai-stalk yan? I-block na kami. Napaka naman. Hindi po ba yan pwedeng gumawa ng ibang account and then i-stalk ka? Hindi po ba yan pwedeng magpagawa ng ibang account para ma-stalk ka? Hindi po ba pwedeng makigamit ng account ng iba? Hoy, pa-FB nga ng kaunti. Or kung ano man. Hindi po ba pwede yun? And wag nyo pong iisipin na through online lang pwedeng mag-stalk. Okay? Some of you, itong taong ito, Sag, yun nga, nag-create siya ng boundaries pagdating sa'yo. Pero yes, nag-i-stalk sila. They want to know everything pagdating sa'yo. Yeah. Okay? Itong tarot, another way of stalking. Yes! Di ba? Hindi ba? Yeah. Real talk. Real talk. Okay, so pakikibalita. Yeah. Pakikibalita kung may mga mutual friends kayo like that, 'di ba? That's another way of stalking. Hindi lang po social media, ha? Hindi lang po sa FB na masasabi yung stalking. Naku, napakalawak ang salitang 'yan. Okay? So, ayoko may makikita ako rito, ha, na naka-block na po ako paano ko mai-stalk? Pag ganun, di ko na pinagpapansin yung mga ganong comment. Okay? So, spying, ang sinasabi. See? This is stalking. The Page of Swords Universe. Napakalaki ng energy na itong taong ito is gusto nitong malaman lahat kung anong meron sa'yo. Yeah. Aba kung binlock ka, bahala siya sa buhay niya kung paano ko kanya may stalk. Pero yun ang gustong-gusto niyang mangyari. Yun ang gustong-gusto niyang magawa. I-stalk ka. Malaman yung mga kung ano yung mga ginagawa mo na ngayon. Yun. Okay? Yeah. Pasensya na po ha sa ingay. The Knight of Wands. In reverse. Some of them, they're in another relation na already. But still, they're stalking. They want to stalk you. Yes. Some of you, ginost ka. Bigla. Ginost ka. Okay, anyway. So, yun lang nakukuha ko sa kanya. Next. Capricorn. So, Capricorn, what's your person's heart? Hidden secrets. Capricorn. For Capricorn, please. Your person's heart's hidden secret. Okay. Withdrawn. Okay. Single, lonely, solitary. Okay. They're lonely. They're sad. Kung may separation, napakalungkot ng taong ito. Okay? So, let's see anong meron dito. Okay. Page of Swords. Another stalker. For the day. They're sad. No contact. No contact ang nakuha ko rito. Pero they're stalking you. Marami siyang gustong itanong. Marami siyang gustong malaman. Okay, Page of Swords in reversed. Yeah, the Six of Coins in reversed. So, nakikita ko rito na itong taong to is nag-iisip. No? Like, magkakaroon kaya kami ng pagkakaayos pa rin ni Capricorn? Like that. They're sad. They're lonely. Yeah, the Five of Coins. They need you. Yeah, they need you. Okay? Some of them, kung magka-connect kayo nito ngayon, ito yung taong nakakaramdam ng parang may kulang sa sitwasyon. This is deep down. Okay? Kung anong meron sa puso nila, kinukuha lang natin. Itong taong ito is naghahanap. Okay? Pinaghahanapan ka. So, parang may nararamdaman siyang kulang. Kung kayo ay magkarelasyon. May nararamdaman siyang, kakulangan. Okay? So, yeah. So, makahalata mo, minsan, malungkot sila, ganto. Pero, I don't know, some of them, hindi nila talaga yun sinasabi. They're not vocal pagdating dyan. Okay? So, kapag tinanong mo, wala lang, okay lang. Okay? Yeah. So, there. Next is Aquarius. Ang haba nitong reading. Oo, nasa 35 minutes na tayo. Yeah, don't forget, please, to like, share, and subscribe. Okay? So, yeah. Aquarius placements. What's your person's heart's hidden secret? Okay. Your person's heart hidden secret. Ano bang meron, Aqua? Let's see. Thinking, missing you, craving, desiring. Oh no. Okay, so that's for you. Okay, so let's see. Ano bang meron pagdating dyan? So, yeah. Namimiss ka. Pero hindi, maybe. Tingnan natin. Sige, ano bang meron? The Tower. Oh! Ina-avoid ka? Aqua, this person is avoiding you. Pero deep, deep down, iniisip ka. Iniisip ka. They still want you. They still want you. Pero, ina-avoid ka. Bakit? What's the tower in reversed? What is the tower in reversed? Ooh, the Ace of Cups in reversed. So, may something fell out. Like, merong hindi nag-workout. This is like panghihinayang. Okay, panghihinayang. I don't know bakit bakit merong pag-avoid na nangyayari or siguro sa sitwasyon is nag-avoid kayo pareho. They are thinking of you a lot. A lot. Yeah, they're in pain. See? Yeah, may separation talaga dito. Okay? Some of you, pwedeng may, naramdaman akong hiya. Kasi maybe this person is, sabihin natin nakagawa ng hindi maganda sa past. Nagkaroon ng separation. Ina-avoid ka rin. Kasi nandun yung hiya. Nahihiya itong taong to na maybe kumonek sa'yo right now. Yes, they're thinking of you. Missing you, craving, desiring. So, yun nga, all in all, nandyan yung panghihinayang ng tao. Okay? So, kung hindi mo nakikita or nararamdaman yung presensya ng taong to, no, ngayon, ito yung totoo. Iniisip ka nila. Okay. I'm sorry sa mga nagko-crosswatch. Yeah, this is not for crosswatcher. Okay? So, next. Pisces. Okay. Pisces placements. Yeah. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Okay, Pisces. So, what's your person's heart hidden secret? Your person's heart hidden secret. Anong meron, Pisces? Let's see. Okay, ayaw pa niya talaga. Beauty. Okay, so we have here charming, graceful, and kind-hearted. Okay, so there's attraction. Okay, andyan pa rin yung parang realization. Okay, for some of you. Andun yung realisasyon ng taong to. What's with this beauty? Okay. Kung anong meron sa'yo na ipinakita mo sa taong ito, like kabaitan mo, yun yung something eh. Yun yung something pagdating sa kanya. Okay. So, anong meron? Yeah, the star. Yeah, charming. So, what else? What's with this star? Ang laki ng paghanga sa'yo nito. The Hermit in reversed. Yeah, see? The King of Cups. So, hindi ko malaman bakit ito nalulungkot ngayon. Kung anong meron sa inyo. Okay? Some of you may nangyaring third party. Yeah. And I think some of them, parang nandoon yung nangihinayang or sabihin natin nalulungkot sila. Kasi parang pinakawalan ka and iba yung pinili. Parang ganyan. Okay? Nandyan pa rin yung paghanga. Nandyan pa rin yung ang daming realization ng taong to sa'yo, Pisces. Nandyan yung parang nagdarasal na itong taong to, maging okay na sana kayo, like that. Yeah, pinagdarasal ka niya. Some of you. Okay? What's with the Hermit? Let's see. What's with the Hermit? Yeah, the Six of Swords. Like nangihinayang, nalulungkot itong taong ito kasi mali yung pinili. Mali yung nangyaring pagpili niya. Kung may third party man, okay? Yeah, na-stuck siya, sabihin nating still. Stuck sa'yo. Okay? Mali yung ginawa niyang decision. So, wala. Hindi natin masisisi kung anong ginawa niyang decision sa past. Hindi natin may babalik. Okay? Pero, yun nga. Nalulungkot itong taong to kasi andun yung malaki yung panghihinayang niya pagdating sa'yo. Okay? Parang, sa ngayon, parang yung iba sa kanila, hindi na ito gumagawa ng effort pagdating sa'yo. Yeah. Hindi na sila nagpo-pursue. Yeah. So, andun nga, malaki ang panghihinayang. Okay. So, there, yun ang ating reading para sa all signs. Again, yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.